Welcome to Highway Legends. Today we're turning our attention to a timeless classic in the modern retro world, the new 2026 Triumph Street Twin. Known for its perfect blend of vintage style and everyday rideability, the Street Twin has long been a favorite among riders who appreciate both performance and personality. The 2026 model takes that heritage to the next level with refined design details, improved comfort, and advanced technology. Let's take a closer look at what makes this new Street Twin more captivating than ever. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Triumph Street Twin retains its signature British charm while introducing subtle yet meaningful design updates. The bike features a sleeker fuel tank with brushed metal accents, reworked side panels, and a more premium seat design that enhances both style and comfort. The round LED headlamp, classic twin-dial instrument cluster, and minimalist stance keep its retro appeal intact. New color options, including rich metallic tones and heritage-inspired stripes, give it an even more distinctive road presence. It's a machine that balances nostalgia with modern craftsmanship perfectly. Performance and powertrain. Under the tank, the 2026 Street Twin continues to be powered by Triumph's proven 900 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, delivering smooth torque and responsive performance across the rev range. The engine has been retuned for cleaner emissions and improved throttle response, while still maintaining that signature Triumph rumble. The 5-speed gearbox is crisp and refined, making urban riding effortless and open-road cruising a joy. Lighter alloy wheels and an upgraded suspension setup contribute to improved agility and stability, giving riders more confidence in every corner. Safety and technology. Triumph has equipped the new Street Twin with a thoughtful blend of modern tech while preserving its classic simplicity. The bike features ride-by-wire throttle, switchable traction control, and dual-channel ABS for safer, more controlled braking. 2 riding modes, road and rain, let you tailor performance to conditions, while the optional USB charging port and immobilizer add practical convenience. The updated digital display provides essential ride information without clutter, enhancing the Street Twin's clean and purposeful cockpit. Conclusion. The 2026 Triumph Street Twin continues to define what a modern classic should be: stylish, approachable, and full of character. With its improved performance, refined design, and subtle tech upgrades, it's the perfect companion for riders who want a motorcycle that's as beautiful to look at as it is thrilling to ride. Whether cruising through city streets or winding country roads, the new Street Twin delivers an unmatched blend of charm and capability. Stay tuned to my channel for more reviews and insights on the bikes that inspire the road ahead.